Hi friends! Today we're going to talk about something that's going to change the way you look at your wardrobe, your life forever. I'm not just talking about clothes. I'm talking about the secret weapon every powerful woman has, power dressing. And guess what? You have it in you. It's not a privilege. It's not for someone else. It's for you. You see, the power of a great outfit is not just about looking good. It's about how you feel, how you walk into a room, how you stand tall, how you own your space. Power dressing isn't about wearing expensive labels or following the latest trend. It's about choosing pieces that make you feel unstoppable, confident, and ready to conquer anything in your path. So let's get one thing straight. Right now, power dressing is not just for the boardroom or the runway. It's for everyday life. Whether you're going for an interview, meeting a friend for coffee, or simply walking into a room full of people, you can own that space. Know your power. Before we talk about clothes, we need to talk about you. Who are you? What are you about? What do you stand for? The first secret to power dressing is understanding the incredible woman you already are. When you walk into a room, I want you to know this. You are a force. You've got dreams, goals, and a future that is brighter than any trend that comes and goes. Clothes are just an extension of that power. They don't define you. You define them. So before you pick out anything to wear, step into that mindset. Walk into your closet like you own it because, honey, you do. The power of fit. Listen to me closely, fit is everything. When you find an outfit that fits you just right, it's like a magic switch gets flipped inside you. Suddenly, you feel confident. You feel strong. You feel unstoppable. It's not about squeezing into clothes that don't fit or drowning in fabric. It's about finding the pieces that make you feel comfortable, powerful, and fierce. I'm talking about that perfectly tailored jacket that makes you stand up straighter. Those pants that fit just right, elongating your legs, giving you that confidence boost with every step. The right fit doesn't just flatter your body, it empowers your mind. It makes you feel like you can conquer anything. Choose colors that reflect your energy. What's the first thing people notice when they look at you? Your energy. And then they notice the colors you wear. Colors are like a visual language. They speak volumes without saying a word. So, what do your clothes say about you? If you want to exude power, you can't go wrong with bold, confident colors. A red dress, a sharp navy blue blazer, a classic black ensemble. These colors scream confidence and make people take notice. They don't fade into the background. They demand attention. But here's the secret, wear what makes you feel good. If bright yellow fills you with energy, wear it. If black makes you feel like a queen, rock it. Power dressing is about expressing your own energy, not following anyone else's rules. Never underestimate the power of accessories. Now let's talk about accessories. They are the cherry on top of your power dressing look. A statement necklace, a sleek handbag, a bold pair of earrings. These are the things that turn an outfit from simple to extraordinary. Accessories are your secret weapon. Imagine wearing a perfectly tailored suit, but then adding that one incredible piece of necklace that says, "I'm here to take charge," or a watch that says, "I'm on top of it." Accessories are the small details that make a huge impact. And let me tell you something, they make all the difference. The right accessory can take you from good to great. Own your signature look. Do you know the one thing that defines every powerful woman? Her signature style. Think about it. Every woman you admire, every woman who's made a mark on the world, has something that's uniquely hers. It's a style that she owns and makes hers. Now, I'm not saying you need to reinvent the wheel, but I am saying that you need to find your own power look. Is it a crisp white shirt and tailored pants? Is it a fitted blazer and a pencil skirt? Is it a maxi dress that flows effortlessly as you walk? Find what works for you. Find that combination of pieces that make you feel confident, bold, and unstoppable. And once you've found it, own it. The power of simplicity. Sometimes less is more. In the world of power dressing, simplicity is never a weakness. It's a strength. Think of it like this. When you walk into a room, you don't want your clothes to be screaming for attention. You want them to whisper authority, elegance, and control. There's something incredibly powerful about a well-put-together, simple look. A little black dress, a tailored white shirt, a perfectly fitted blazer. It's all about the elegance of simplicity. So, don't feel the need to overwhelm yourself with too many accessories or bold prints. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can do is just keep it simple, but make sure it's done to perfection. Confidence is your best accessory. Let me tell you a little secret. Confidence is not something you buy. It's something you wear. The moment you step into that power outfit, stand tall, hold your head high, look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, I'm ready to own the world. Confidence is the secret ingredient that will make anything you wear look 10 times better. It's like a glowing aura that surrounds you. So when you're dressing, make sure to wear your confidence. It doesn't matter what brand your clothes are. It doesn't matter how much you spent. When you have confidence, you become unstoppable. Don't be afraid to stand out. Power dressing is all about making an impression. It's about standing out. Don't be afraid to wear what makes you feel unique. Don't blend into the crowd. You are not like everyone else, and your wardrobe shouldn't be either. Wear that bold color. Wear that daring cut. Wear that statement piece that no one else would dare wear. Stand out, and let the world take notice. Dress for the life you want, not the life you have. Here's another secret. Dress for the future, not the present. If you want to be the boss, dress like the boss. If you want to lead, dress like a leader. If you want to conquer, dress like a conqueror. Power dressing isn't just about looking the part. It's about becoming the part. So when you pick your outfit in the morning, think about where you're going, not just where you are. Dress for the life you want. And soon enough, you'll find that you've already stepped into it. Never stop evolving. Listen closely, because this is important. Power dressing is not static. Your style evolves as you do. You grow. You change. You take on new challenges, and so should your wardrobe. Don't be afraid to experiment. Don't be afraid to shift gears as you reach new heights in life. Your style is a journey, and it will always reflect who you are at each stage of your life. Your outfit should tell a story. Every outfit you wear should tell a story. When you walk into a room, people should immediately sense your energy, your presence, your ambition. Power dressing is about telling your story before you even say a word. The outfit you choose should speak volumes about who you are and what you represent. Own your style like Barbie does. Look, friends, I'm Barbie. And when I put on my clothes, it's not about the trend of the moment, it's about confidence, elegance, and control. I am proud of who I am, and I wear it in every outfit I choose. And so should you. Your style is yours. You own it. You shape it. You bring it to life. You wear it like the powerhouse that you are. So let's go out there and start conquering the world, one power outfit at a time. You've got this. Now, go show the world the power of you. Thank you.